Hello again. Welcome to lesson 19. Add or subtract polynomials. You look at this page and you're probably freaking out now, aren't you? Let's add some color to it, and I guarantee you would be a lot less stressed once we add some colors. So for each of the questions below, add or subtract each polynomial. Remember to click like terms. Okay? So let's take a look at this first one here. X squared is not the same as x. Okay, x squared is, for example, you know what? Let's take a look at this example, random side note here. What number is that? 3. Now let's take a look at 3 squared. What is 3 squared? We know that's 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? 9. So 3 squared is equal to 9, correct? So is 3 the same thing as 9? No. Is 3 the same thing as 3 squared? No. So is x the same thing as x squared? No. Okay, so all the x squares, let's color in orange in this case. X squared, there's 2x squared. Remember to include the sign in front. Okay, in this particular case is 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms. A term is anything separated by a plus or minus sign. So anything that has an x squared, I'm going to color orange. Now anything that has just a single x, I'm going to color red. So negative 7x. And what else? Oh, and just numbers on their own, I'm going to color blue. Negative 3 plus 9. So here's my answer. So we got 1x squared plus 2x squared. 1 plus 2 is? You got it. 3x squared. So I'm going to stick with the same colors. Now let's go with reds. So we got 2 x's minus 7 x's. 2 apples minus 7 apples. 2 minus 7 is... The answer is negative 5, but I'm just going to show you 2 minus 7, negative 5. Negative 5x. Now with the blues, we've got negative 3 plus 9. Negative 3 plus 9. Again, I'm hoping that you know your integers, and you can see that negative 3 plus 9 is indeed just 6. Okay? If you would like a lesson on integers, adding and subtracting it, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to post another video. So now that we have this, we are done, because we have essentially, I'm essentially saying we have 3 apples minus 5 oranges plus $6. You can't really combine those together. Okay, so you're done there. Now let me show you one of the harder ones. So don't let the brackets scare you. Okay, so for example, question 3. You see brackets, right? It means the same thing. So what you can do is open up the brackets. So in this first part, you look at if there's a number in front. There's nothing in front, so this just becomes negative 2x plus 3. Now what the bracket essentially does is, in the event that this is negative, it tells me that every term in here, their sign will change. Okay, but because it's a positive, that just becomes positive 4x. And then positive and a negative gives you a negative, so negative 3. And then you do the same thing we did in question 1. Alrighty? Okay, I'll see you in lesson 20.